In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand policies on eBay, a comprehensive tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to eBay or just need a refresher on how things work, understanding the platform's policies is crucial. They ensure you're following eBay's rules and help create a smooth buying or selling experience. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to the specific section where eBay keeps all its policies. Open your browser and head over to eBay's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner for the Help section. It's labeled Help and Contact. Click this area to reveal a drop-down menu or a new page, depending on your device, and select the option that directs you to Policies. This is where you will find the core guidelines that shape the way users interact on eBay. It's a crucial step in familiarizing yourself with how eBay operates and sets the groundwork for our next moves. Now that you're in the Policy section, you will notice that eBay organizes its policies into different categories, primarily selling and buying policies. This step is crucial because it helps you narrow down the information to what is most pertinent to your needs. Are you interested in listing items for sale? Or are you more of a buyer looking for a great deal? By selecting either selling or buying policies, you'll be able to focus on the specific rules and guidelines that apply to you. Once you've chosen the category that suits your purpose, it's time to delve into the details. Start by reading through the policy guidelines that eBay provides. The policies are comprehensive, covering everything from prohibited items to selling practices, or even handling transactions securely. Reading them might seem daunting at first, but remember, this is your opportunity to equip yourself with knowledge that can save you from potential pitfalls down the road. If there's a term or a policy that seems a bit unclear, don't hesitate to click on any related links that eBay provides to get further clarification. As you absorb this information, the next natural step is to apply what you've learned to your eBay account. This could involve revising your listings to comply with selling policies or adjusting your purchasing behavior to align with buying guidelines. It's about integrating this knowledge into your everyday eBay interactions to ensure you're fully compliant and protected. It's also a good idea to regularly revisit these policies as eBay updates them to reflect the changing landscape of online commerce. By understanding and adhering to eBay's policies, you not only protect your account, but also contribute to maintaining a trusted marketplace environment. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to understand eBay policies. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Until next time, happy buying and selling.